Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now, if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more gorgeous hairstyle ideas. So, if you have been on the hunt for the perfect hairstyle, I am here to help you out. Today's video is full of trendy and inspiring hairstyle ideas you'll most definitely want to try. So if you do happen to feel inspired by any of the looks featured within today's video, don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So today we are going to be checking out some bobs and pixie hairstyle ideas that you can wear this summer. So we see the stylist cutting the hair here. Looks like he is shaping a beautiful pixie style for this one. So he did do the longer bangs in the front here, really playing into the longer pixie bob styles that we're seeing right now. Very cute. Next up, we have someone who has hair around shoulder length and then just above it. And she also decided to switch it up with the pixie. This one does feature a longer pixie style. Another cute little pixie cut. And then we have the transformation of this bob style. Here we have someone with a bob once again. It looks like she is switching it up with a pixie cut. She's got the baby bangs going there in the front. Oh, this came out super cute. From a bob to a pixie. I love it. It's so funny because you can definitely tell she's feeling herself with this look, like she's in the mirror just dancing. Another shot here with the Pixie. And then we have a shoulder length hairstyle. Got some grown out color here. And she decides to switch it up with a bob. Gorgeous face framing bangs here. Oh wow, okay, so we have a big chop transformation here. She is definitely going shorts. Beautiful salt and pepper hair color going there. Oh wow, she is going super short. And I think that with this transformation, now you can really see her natural salt and pepper hair. So I wonder if she's just gonna throw that color out. She wanted to embrace her grays. But this is definitely a nice little like low maintenance style. So here we have someone with mid-length hair. Mid-back length hair. Looks like she's getting, oh, she's going super short. Okay, yeah, so she ends up getting a really beautiful bob. I love the shape of this, like the texture. It's definitely giving kind of like mini bob. Almost Pixie-ish kind of haircut vibes. Because it's very short in the back and longer in the front. Very cute. And I think what's nice about this particular cut is that she has a lot of hair that she can kind of play around with when it comes to styling options. So this is a nice, cool in-between length. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed taking a look at all of these summer bob and pixie haircut ideas. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.